Here we have a 1965 Chevrolet Nova. Under the hood of this is a 462 big block, and that is paired with a Turbo 400 3-speed automatic transmission. And as you can see, the black semi-gloss paint on here is in absolutely great shape. Has a nice shine to it. It's definitely driver quality. Chrome and brightwork, it's in decent shape. Not the best shape, but chrome and brightwork is what it is. This has about 2,400 miles on the build on it currently. I would say it's definitely going to catch someone's eye seeing this going down the road, that's for sure. And if you want to see any of the still pictures, those can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. As well as you can contact us if you have any questions or inquiries about getting this car to you. We can be reached at 507-386-1726. And again, since we're back here, this actually has a 3.0 gear ratio rear end, and as well as having Pete and Jake's gears. So it's definitely well equipped for a modded up Nova. We'll slip inside here. Well, actually, before we slip inside, take a check of these lines. It's very, like I said, it's a very straight car. All the lines are nice. It's very solid, clean, well taken care of vehicle. All right, we got the black exterior, kind of a turquoise interior. Well, turquoise door cards and dash. We got gray vinyl seats. These are power seats as well. Headliner, turquoise as well, also in great shape. We got the roll bar back there. Got an aftermarket tack on the column. You got your transmission on the floor. Like I said before, Turbo 400. You got some aftermarket gauge cluster underneath the dash there. Odometer reads 1,865, but like I said before, there's actually 2,400 miles on the build. But no, the dash is nice and clean. No cracks or anything like that. Carpet, very clean, very nicely taken care of. I took the floor mats out so you can see actually what it looks like underneath, and as I said, very clean, very well taken care of vehicle. As well as the center console. Now you can kind of see back here, like I said before, with the roll bar and seat delete kind of thing. But anyways, I'll slide in here and get this started so we can see how she sounds. All right, let's start this baby up. As you can see, tachometer works. Temperature gauge works. Everything works. It's definitely a works as it should kind of car. Runs as great as it looks. Again, check out the door seams. All right, let's take a look at that 462. Big block, just as it should be. And as I had before, the fiberglass removable hood right there. And that baby purr. We'll slip back to so we can hear the rumble. And while I'm going back here, we can check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. And if you'd like to give us a call, if you have any questions about this car, anything regarding transport or getting this vehicle to you, we can be reached at 507-386-1726.